Hey designers, let's explore what's new in Canva. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing way to create a poster using just a prompt. Here's the prompt I'm going to paste here. Once it's in, click on the Canva AI option and then hit Submit. It might take a moment to process, but soon it will generate a bunch of posters for you, like these cafe opening posters. You can already see how impressive the results are. Now, the really fun part, when you hover over a design you like, multiple options appear. You'll see things like poster designs, add a hand-drawn coffee cup, and many more. If you want to customize any poster, just click Edit. From there, you can change the images. Canva provides lots of options to choose from. Edit all the text to suit your style. Or switch to the full Canva editor if you want complete control over your design. Let's ask Canva to generate more poster designs. It will take a little time, but the new options are just as amazing. For example, if I want to add a coffee cup illustration, I just click on it, and boom, instantly it's added. Everything is highly customizable, and you can tweak it as much as you like. Okay, now let's create a poster directly inside the Canva editor. Start by writing your prompt and then click on Generate Design. Canva will take a little time to process, and there it is. Once it's ready, click on it, and your design will appear right in the editor. Sometimes the images Canva adds might be for premium users. Don't worry if that happens. You can easily replace them with any image of your choice or select from the plenty of free images Canva provides. If you want to change the style or color theme, go to Styles. Here, you can pick any combination that suits your design. Let's say we want to replace a picture with an element. Go to the Elements tab, paste the prompt for the element you want, and click Generate Image. For example, I've set it to generate a kawaii computer mouse with big eyes and a tiny smile. It takes a few moments, and look at how beautiful the images are, all for free. I'll add this one to our birthday card. Just click on it, and it's applied instantly. You can also choose from the other 3 generated images, selecting whichever fits best. Now let's explore the 3D images option in Canva. Go to Elements and simply type 3D. You'll see all the 3D options here. I'm going to click on See All, where Canva shows all the free 3D elements. Let's pick one. There are plenty to choose from. I'll select this Canva 3D object. Once it appears on the screen, double-click on it. You'll notice a small icon pop up. When you drag that icon, look how beautifully the camera moves in 3D. You can adjust it to any angle you like. This feature is honestly a huge game changer from Canva. Let's try another one, like this 3D Earth. Double-click, move the icon, and watch the Earth rotate in 3D. So cool, right? Now, moving on to another feature in Canva, the copy style option. But before we use it, know that this works best on very minimal illustrations. I tried it on many detailed ones and it didn't work as well, so I'm using minimal ones here. For example, if I want the style of this Canva illustration to appear on this leaf, here's what I'll do. Select the Canva illustration, click Copy Style, and then click on the leaf. The style instantly transfers. And you can do it the other way too. If you want the leaf style on the camera, just repeat the same steps. Now let's look at another really helpful feature in Canva. Ask Canva. So, for example, here's a poster I've made, and I want Canva to tell me how to improve it. Click on Ask Canva, and in the box I'll type something like, How can I improve this? Then click Submit Comment. Canva will take a moment to analyze the design, and once it's done, it gives you suggestions on what can be improved. There are also other options here you can explore, but for now, let's continue chatting with Canva and ask it to generate an improved version of the poster. It takes a little time, but once it's ready, Canva creates a new, adjusted version of your design, and it looks so much better. Just click on the design you like and it will appear in your editor. This feature is honestly amazing because you can keep guiding it. You can ask it to generate text or even give you design advice. Just type your request and submit it. Canva will process it and let you know what text you can add or what changes you can make to improve your design even more. Last but not least, let's explore a brand new option in Canva, the email feature. Click on Email, then select Create New Email and hit Start Designing. Canva gives you a range of ready-made email templates to choose from. You can pick one of these or start completely from scratch if you prefer to customize every detail yourself. Let's take a look at the templates. For example, I'll select this one, and inside it, I'll go with this layout. You can see how the full email structure appears, just like it would look in someone's inbox. Here, you can edit all the text, add your own logo, adjust colors, and replace images to match your brand or campaign style. And once you're happy with everything, you can even send a test email to yourself to see exactly how it'll look to your audience, whether it's a promotional email or a newsletter. Now let's go a step further and see what AI can do here. Paste your own prompt and click on Generate Design. Canva will think for a few moments, and then it'll generate a basic email template based on your prompt. From there, you can freely customize everything: colors, layout, images, and text, just the way you want. It's honestly one of the coolest new features in Canva, letting you design and personalize professional emails all in one place. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.